is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another TBC episode. Today, I'm actually going to be going to my client's house, working on that 1997 Trans Am. I definitely cannot wait to actually get started on that thing. Once again, I'm finally free. My cat is meowing down here. He wants to be on film, but you'll get your turns. We finally got the carpet in here. We gotta just start placing stuff down. That way it aligns, as you guys can tell. I'm currently working on the radio right now, which I do have the wire harness right here. This is a stereo connector. And that's what it is, 1998, 88 to 05. Alright guys, well this is the favorite part of all, because you have to know which wires go where. So you're looking at all these bunch of wires and you're like, huh, okay. So if these wires are all colored, then what about these wires? Okay, now if you come over here and you look at these wires here, you see that you have yellow, red, green, and you also have a green with the black strip. Same with the purple, the black strip. And then you come over here, you see black, white, you see a whole bunch of cords right here. Basically, all of these match 100% with these wires right here. I'm just gonna get an idea. See how I did this right here? I did the yellow with yellow, red with red, green with green, and green black strip with black strip green. It's pretty much easy stuff. I know that this green is different than this green, but they're pretty much the same colors. And then you just have to do that for all the rest of the wires and make sure that you guys do them really good. It's better to use wire connectors instead of just black taping them like this. A pine cone fell and smashed that window right there. So all the glass is all over here. I gotta clean up all this glass now. I was gonna plan to start putting the moldings on, but can't do that with broken glass. And then I did these cuts myself, which I copied off of the other carpet. Now we just have to lay this carpet completely flat, get the seats in here. Once the seats are in here, then we have a good amount of stuff to do. I'm going to show you guys a very slow motion of what the new seats are going to look like. Check out these guys. These guys right here are going to be the ones that's going to be going into the Trans Am. We got a set of 4 that's going to cover up those holes and the holes in the door. 4 speakers is a good way to go, and I think 300 watts for door speakers is actually pretty good, and they're Bose. It's a name brand, it's a good thing. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up these wires tonight, and then I'm going to wait on the speakers because I need my black wire, plus I want to use connectors with those. And then after that, next week's video will most likely be probably us just putting the moldings together, cleaning up that glass. Maybe by that time we'll actually have a replacement glass for that and we can get that installed. But as far as right now, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot those clips of those seats. Check these guys out. I make sure that there's going to be no more rain or bugs or anything in here. Kind of does suck that, you know, all of that glass right there kind of just broke, so it kind of sucks. But we're going to come back next week and see what else we can do to this Trans Am and see if we can get it up and running. You know, we're in about interior for right now. Once we get the interior done, I know it's taken a while to get interior done, but once the interior is done, we will be putting this car up for market. So if one of you guys live out here in Lakewood and you guys are interested in this car, knowing how much money and how much time and also all the new stuff that we have to replace, well, just go ahead and leave a comment down in the section down below. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another ToughBuilds video. Today, guys, we finally got here and we're finally working back on the 1997 Trans Am, which it's actually not looking too bad right now. What I need to do is set this camera up, get busy. Basically what I'm going to be doing right now is I got to get this center console out today. That is basically my plan, because I have to rip this carpet out. It got soaked because of the rain. And we're also going to be putting the window back in today too as well. I got to get this side out. There's also a track right here that I need to pull out so that way we can put the window back in. That is going to be a very fun plan to do. And as you guys can tell from last time that you've seen the video, the car is extremely dirty from the ground up. The hood is even worse. It's really dirty. Like, this car is going to need a detail 100%. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into there, get that thing out. I will come back to you guys once I do get that out, and also once we get busy working on the window right here. Gotta get that track out like I said, and we'll come right back. Here's the update for you guys. Finally got it out, and there it is right there. And as you guys can see it right here in my hand. Alright, you guys see this little staple thing right here on the side. Usually it's gray, but this one's black. So what you do with this little pin right here, it's usually pushed all the way in. I just shoved a flathead right here and pulled it like that. It came right out, and then you just go ahead and just lift it up off of the shaft, which is right here. It's really easy. After you get that part out, then you just want to take this part completely out of the car. Makes it easier for when you have to take out this center console thing right here. Extremely easy. Don't worry, it's easily possible to take it out. If you need a how-to video, that's pretty much how you do it. You just take that pin out on the side. It's usually on this side right here, closest to all the controls and stuff. You'll see it, it's on the side. And you just go ahead and stick the flathead through there, pull it out, and then lift the shifter off of the shaft. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So it's really, really easy. So I came here and I definitely wanted to do that so I can get this completely out of the car and go ahead and remove this carpet. The next thing is getting that window done over here. I did see a problem though, which I'm going to show you guys right now, and you can see it already. So the top of this part right here already came off from that side. It was actually held on a while ago, but it just came completely off again. But it's okay, because none of the trims are on right now. We have to repaint the trim again because of the fact, I don't know if it's that one or if it's the one underneath it, but one of those got really damaged by the paint and stuff. As you guys can tell, the paint came out really bad after a few weeks. So I want to prevent this, so it's a good thing that we caught it before we sold it. And then the seats, back seats are already in here, but I'm gonna pull them back out again. They're not ready yet. I just wanted to see how much room I had and how much carpet I had and all that. The carpet's coming out. That was a waste of 125 bucks, but the carpet is carpet. I'm gonna go ahead and rip this out. This has to get repainted, so this definitely won't be coming back in here today. That is gonna be the update for this so far. We'll update you guys on the window when I put it in. The carpet's not going in today. There's going to be plenty more content coming towards you guys for the 1997 Trans Am. If you do own one, really, really easy to change out the carpet in this car. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below on what you think this car will look like after it is completely done, and how much we will get for it when we do sell it. Well, there we go. She's out completely. And as you can tell, it's getting kind of rusty in there too, but it's okay. I found that spring, by the way, and I put it back on. And I went ahead and pulled this out. This was a struggle to get out, but I got it out. Got this part out. Alright guys, well, now it's on to the door. Light has gone. Sky is still looking pretty clean. Helicopter in the air right over there. You'll probably see it in about a few minutes here. So as you guys just seen right now, the progress in that car is coming together 100%. I just got to redo that carpet. I have to look around for burnt fuses or out fuses, whatever you want to call those things. We actually went out and bought the battery today, tried to turn it on. It didn't want to turn over. Instead, it just killed the battery completely, and the battery's dead now. I have to recharge that battery and figure out if I can get some power going on. I did actually have power for a little bit. It was able to bring the lights up and put them back down. It was able to show a little bit of lights where the alarm buttons are at and stuff like that, so that's always good. The radio on the other hand did not light up. It didn't even turn on. So if you're not yet subscribed here, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side. Leave a comment down in the section down below and share this with all your friends and family. And I love you guys all. And always remember guys, if it ain't tough, it's not worth building. I'll see you guys in next Monday's video. Peace!